Looking to map rental properties and nearby amenities in one smart view? Let's make it visual, smart, and effortless using MAPOG Smart Mapping. Start by heading over to story.mapog.com, click Create New Map, choose a category-based story, and give your project a proper title and description, image optionally. Pinpoint your property location using latitude and longitude under the Toolbox section. Next, go to Add Story, then Add Manually. Using the Add Polygon tool, draw a boundary around your property. This outlines your asset visually. Now, using Select Category Setting button, set up categories like apartment, villa, office, shop, plot. This helps organize your data smartly. Add property details, title, photos, quick descriptions, bring your listing to life. Now click on Select Polygon Type Settings. In Location Type Management, create a new type called Rental Property Details. Add key attributes, rent, furnishing, size, ratings, room photos, tailor it your way. After filling in all information, hit Save. Customize how each property looks on the map using Polygon Customization option. Labels, color codes, heights, make them pop. Use the Distance tool to calculate proximity to hospitals, schools, petrol pumps, and parks. Add nearby amenities with Add Nearby Points option with clear symbols, labels, and distance. You can even add additional titles such as rent, buy or lease for specific identifications. Repeat for all your properties. Once done, hit Preview and Share. Make the map private or public, embed it on a blog, or invite others as viewers, editors, or collaborators. Lastly, through Map Settings Action button, add your website and contact details so people could reach you easily. Whether you're a real estate agent, a builder, or a researcher, location intelligence matters. And that's where MAPOG shine. If you need any help with adding or uploading data, performing map analysis, creating map stories, or map or GIS consultancy, feel free to contact us at support@mapog.com anytime.